Hello students, in this video I would like to discuss with you all few questions related to rational numbers and irrational numbers and one polynomial question also. So let's consider this question number 1. So in this question, if you see, you need to find an irrational number between 3 and 8. So an irrational number between 3 and 8, the option will be this. Because you need to find an irrational number. If I take this is a rational number. So there is a general formula. If you need to find any irrational number between two numbers, let us take them as A and B. So that will be given by AB. So this will give an irrational number between these two numbers. If you do this way, A plus B divided by 2, that will give an rational number. So now let's consider question number 2. Here you need to find, using this, you need to find this. So you need to check first that whether you have to find plus or minus. Based on that, you have to use the identity. As you need to find plus, so you have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. So let's use this. Whole square of this, you know, is what? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. X cancels out, so you have x square plus 1 by x square given as 83. 83 plus 2 is 85. So x plus 1 by x whole square is 85. With this I can say that x plus 1 by x is root of 85 when I remove the square from both the sides. Now we will use this. We can find the cube. You know what is x plus 1 by x whole cube. The formula for this is a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b, a plus b. This cube will become, you have this root 85 cube is equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus this will be 3 only into root 85. Let's bring it over this side. So 85 root 85 minus 3 root 85 is equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube. So 85 minus 3 is 82 root 85. So that is your answer over here. I hope it's clear. Now move to the next question. In the next question, as you see, you need to find the value of a square plus b square, and a and b is given to you. So let's find first b. b is 1 by 7 plus root 3, which is 1 by a. So let's rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, we just take the opposite sign. So this will become 1 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Denominator will be in the form of a plus b, a minus b. This you know it's a plus b, a minus b. So you know what is the product of a plus b minus b? A square minus b square. So this will become 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 square is 49. 4 square 16. Root 3 square is 3. 16 3s are 48. So we will get 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 1, which is 7 minus 4 root 3. Now see, you have to find a square plus b square, not a square minus b square. So a square plus b square you can find by using this thing, 7 plus 4 root 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 root 3 whole square. So I can use a separate identities. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Similarly for this one, a square plus b square minus 2 into a plus b. So this term and this term both are same. We can cancel them out. Now we are left with only 7 square is 49 plus 4 root 3 whole square is 48. Again plus 49 plus 48. So the answer will be, just add up all of these. What you will get? 16, 18, 4, 6. So 154 is the answer. Now let us solve this question. So this question, either you can do it directly by using all the terms together, you can rationalize all of them, or you can do separately. So when you do it separately, you will take the first term. Take care of the sign, please copy the right question. So let's rationalize the denominator of all the terms separately. We'll take the opposite sign. So this will become 2 root 6 into root 2 plus root 3 over root 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Because again this is a minus b, a plus b. So this will become, let's take root 6 inside, 2 I'll keep outside only. Root 6 if I take inside, it will become root 2 into root 6, which is root 12, plus root 6 into root 3, which is root 18, over 2 minus 3, which will again become 2. Root 12 you know is 4 into 3, which is 4 into 3, and root 18 is 9 into 2 over minus 1. So this will become 2, root 4 is 2, 2 root 3 plus root 9 is 3, so 3 root 2 over minus 1. So when I take it inside, it will become minus 4 root 3, minus sign up 4, 2 into 2, 4. Then again minus sign up 2 into 3, 6 root 2. This is the first term I'm getting. Now let's check with the second term. Second term is 6 root 2 by root 6 plus root 3. So again we'll rationalize the denominator of this, root 6 minus root 3, root 6 minus root 3, which will be equals to 6. Let's multiply all together. Root 2 into root 6 will become again root 12, and root 2 into root 3 will become minus root 6 inside. So over root 6 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Now root 12 again you know is 4 into 3 minus root 6 divided by 6 minus 3. Why I'm not taking this 6 inside? Because I know it, 6 minus 3 will be 3. I can cancel it out. So you will get 6 into root 4 is again 2. 2 root 3 minus root 6 divided by 3. Can cancel out. This will become 2. Now what terms I will get from this? I will get 4 root 3 minus 2 root 6. Now the last term, which is 8 root 3 by root 6 plus root 2. 8 root 3 by root 6 plus root 2. It is very important to copy the correct question. Into, again rationalize the denominator, root 6 minus root 2, root 6 minus root 2, which is equals to 8. Root 3 into root 6 is root 18 minus root 6. Again root 6 whole square minus root 2 whole square, you will know you will get 4. So don't multiply, don't take this 8 inside. So again root 18 you know is 9 into 2, you will get 3 root 2. Root 6 as it is. Then this is 6 minus 2, 4. Either you can do this way or you can do root 3 into root 6. You know, let me just tell you, root 3 into root 6. So root 3 into root 3 into root 2. So root 3 will become 3 root 2. You can directly also do this thing. So this will become now 8, 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 4. I can cancel this, I'll get 2. So now multiply, 2 3s are 6 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Now let's take the question is one sign is plus, another is negative. So minus 4 root 3 minus 6 root 2, minus 4 root 3 minus 6 root 2. Then I have plus 4 root 3 minus 2 root 6. Then I have minus sign outside, minus 8 root 3. So it will be minus 6 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Now let's open the bracket, plus 4 root 3 minus 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2 plus 2 root 6. So plus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6 cancels. This cancels out. So I'm left with only minus 6 root 2 minus 6 root 2. So it will become minus 12 root 2. So this is the answer. Hope the steps are clear to you. So follow the steps. Don't miss any steps. Show all calculations. This is what you need to do, and carefully do all the questions. Whenever there is a negative sign, please check out for the negative sign. Copy the questions correctly, and then I think you will not be able to make more mistakes. So all the best for your exams. Thanks for watching the video.